men!
The banner's here!
Down the stairs!
Push, 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 push.
Pack up the bed! No sleep for the weak!
Alright, come on. Hold your shield up, push up. Keep the line though. Keep the line.
Keep the line! Torches in here!
They're pushing.
Great job, gents. His sword broke, they need a new one! I broke my sword!
I mean, it would take us like a day if like 3 people were working on it, but yeah, I see what you mean. Take a day, it would take like a couple of hours if 3 people were working on it, depending on how lucky we get with components and shit. Here, push back, we're getting attacked from the flank, our shield will push, move back, ancients, move back. I need to go grab food. Alright, let me through, I need to go grab food.
Push forward, kill the bastards!
Push it forward, man!
Push forward, he's low on food, bitch, get him!
Push forward! I've stacked up on food, I have about 8 of them. Ah! Fuck it.
I got 3 pieces of steak right here for you,
Fight
bitch.
me!
Keep pushing.
Fight me!
Hey, Sparta, pushing
Fight
back.
me! I've just killed all of them!
Why are
Fight
we
me!
not in a wall? Why are we not in a shield
Won't be
wall?
any food left for your bitch.
I'm leading the charge, lads! Forward!
Follow the
I'm
Keep
low.
pushing.
I'm low.
Push forward, man. Do not fear to die. Fight for your country. For the king. We broke it in, boy.
Hey, you guys got this figured out.
Form on the stairs.
Hey, it took you guys a fat minute
Dude,
to do
like,
it.
it was terrible, man. It was suffering.
No, I was here earlier, I know.
Man, what the hell's going on?
What to work that kid?
So like, this is my first time playing. I'm already getting.
Wait. Alright, this is it. Let's liberate this king in terms of gaming. In here! There's spawns, they're in here!
The lag is real, boys.
Help me here! Help me here! The spawn is in here!
Push down.
In this room, in here!
That's one of their spawns, it's not really.
Yes! Oh, the spawn will drop the spawn, we're gonna make it.
Hey, is there any way for us to, like, take the roof off of this without a catapult?
I'm gonna stab you now.
Why the fuck are we spawning in here and can't get the fuck out?
You can get out downstairs.
Push back our keep.
Hey, anyone coming up the siege tower? I got a job for you. If you can bring me back a spear, that would be awesome.
Hold this door. Choke point.
If you just find one laying around on the ground somewhere, I'll take one. It is so laggy, oh my god.
Come on, keep him out of the door. Keep him out of the door.
Siege tower,
Push the
where's
line,
that boy?
push, ancient push.
Oh no, not
guys.
Get their ass, get their ass.
Name checks.
Ancients push, their line is
Oh,
broken.
they're pushing back. There's tons of them crawling around. Come on, let's kill them in their spawns.
Get his ass.
Guys, let's reform on this
Come on,
arch
get
here.
inside their
We need to
spawn and
defend.
slaughter the nakeds.
Hey, how are people getting up here? How are people getting on this roof?
They're naked. Snake is in there, bro. We gotta go kill them. Snake and that's where we're spawning.
Who's us?
Come on, we gotta The
Woolies us!
Come on, everyone get in there. Get in.
Come on, guys, the Woolies us! Some help!
Over here, spawn camper. You will die today, spawn camper. Ski sure.
You have a shield, don't try and fight.
Someone give me a sword over, someone give me a shield.
We have spears behind you that can
Yeah, boss, give me a shield, give me a shield.
let the spears do the work. Fire the shield behind the spears. Shield up. Shield push up.
I got a spear,